Welcome to our video on muscle and nerve tissues, also known as excitable tissues, due to their ability to respond to external stimuli. Let's delve into the fascinating world of how these tissues function and communicate. Muscle and nerve tissues are called excitable tissues because they can respond to external stimuli, playing vital roles in the body's communication and control systems. Nerve cells, or neurons, use electrical impulses to process and transmit information, whether sensory or motor. When a minimum threshold is reached, axons and dendrites conduct impulses by opening voltage-gated ion channels. This allows sodium ions, Na+, to flood in, changing the membrane potential and propagating the electrical signal. Muscle cells are controlled and regulated by nerve cells. For instance, when an action potential reaches a motor end plate, it triggers the release of neurotransmitters. These neurotransmitters cause the muscle to contract. This signal is transmitted by motor neurons, which control both skeletal muscles, voluntary, and cardiac muscles, involuntary. A key concept in understanding excitable tissues is the transmembrane potential, the electrical potential difference between the inside and outside of a cell, measured in millivolts, MET. A rapid change in this potential generates an action potential, a fundamental process for nerve impulse transmission and muscle contraction. The equilibrium potential is the state where there is no net movement of ions across the cell membrane, meaning no energy is required to maintain this balance. This equilibrium is crucial for maintaining the resting potential of cells. There are two main types of ion channels to consider. Voltage-gated ion channels. These channels respond to changes in the electrical properties of the membrane. Typically, the inner part of the membrane is at a negative voltage. When Na+ ions flood in, the voltage changes, triggering these channels to open. Voltage-gated ion channels are commonly found on the axon hillock and axons of neurons. They are essential for the initiation and propagation of action potentials. Ligand-gated ion channels. These channels open when a signaling molecule, or ligand, binds to the extracellular part of the protein channel. Ligand-gated channels are mostly found in the dendrites and cell bodies of neurons. They play a crucial role in synaptic transmission, allowing the conversion of chemical signals, neurotransmitters, into electrical impulses. Understanding these mechanisms provides insight into how the nervous system controls various functions, from voluntary muscle movements to involuntary actions such as heartbeat regulation. It also highlights the intricate communication network that ensures our body responds appropriately to internal and external stimuli. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of muscle and nerve tissues. Stay tuned for more videos that uncover the complexities of cellular communication and function.